The Chandler in Frankfort, Kentucky is a project by Mr. C. Michael Davenport. This covered bridge actually exists on the site and was built to handle heavy equipment to develop the land. The windy road that was already put in and a heart-shaped cul-de-sac with a gazebo, and it originally served as a Christian retreat. We decided to use bay homes, which are single-family villas with panoramic views from within living space, as the entrance product for this development. The bay homes provide a townhome ownership, all with panoramic views of open space, hiding the 2 and 3 car garages in the rear. On the right side of the development, opposite of the bay homes, are 5 single-family home businesses. These are uses that are intended to be home offices where accountants, architects, and low-volume businesses can have a significant portion of their home for an in-house business. This was designated to be mixed use, and there was no way a project that was not easily accessed could have viable commercial uses, but home offices seemed more of a logical choice. As we progress into the development, we have more affordable row-type attached townhomes, and the end units are 1 story, and the 1 story end units reduce the scale of the bulk of the buildings. As we pass those units, on the left, we have a series of single-family homes with garages in the rear that are lotted. These are owner-occupied homes. They are not association maintained, but more like old urban homes. And we decided to use the old Sears architecture from the turn of the century to give it character. Again, you're looking at the flagpole and the gazebo that does exist around this heart-shaped cul-de-sac. And to the right, we have 2 story with parking underneath apartments or condos for a variety of mix of uses. The end home was built for the developer's daughter, again using the traditional Sears look of homes, but with a more modern interior. From an aerial view, we can see the overpass that is just north of the entrance to the Chandler. You could see the covered bridge, and then you could see how the bay homes with the parking in the rear are accessed. The other factor to use bay homes along the north side, and actually all units along the north side have parking in the rear, is an extra sound buffer that the garage gives to the living areas of the homes. Now, these homes here are shown as 2 story, but I believe in the end they will be a mix of 1 and 2 story units, but the architecture is fairly close with full front porches leading to the meandering sidewalks. And now you could see the home businesses on the right, and you could see that there is plenty of parking for employees. So these are intended for small businesses where a good portion of the home is the business. It could be written off, so it's a lot more attractive to professionals to have their own large home instead of an extra office space someplace else paying rent. They all are shown here with 4 car plus garages for both the owner and the employees. And then you could see the row type townhomes. They are staggered units. Again, panoramic view is in every single unit in this development, whether they're attached condos or detached units. The condos are asymmetric hallways, meaning that along the less view side, there are less units, and the more premium view side overlooking the heart-shaped cul-de-sac, there are more units. Again, all of these methods were pioneered by our planning firm. And now you can see how the meandering walks all interconnect. They lead to the heart-shaped cul-de-sac that exists. And at the end of the unit is the daughter's unit. which Mr. Davenport had built. And since he's passed away, it really leaves a legacy of the family overlooking this magnificent project, then neighborhood that they have built and spearheaded. It was their dream, and we just helped their dream become more of a reality.